Welcome back, guys. This is Animesh here, and you are watching Dalal-E. Today, I'm going to discuss my views on market for the next week. I will try to analyze Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, and Sensex. Now, without wasting further of your time, let's start the analysis.
This is the monthly chart of Nifty 50, and here you can see I have drawn a trend line. Price has taken support here, here. So this trend line is a long-term trend line right now, and it will work as a long-term support. Maybe if price falls too much, then it may happen that price takes support here from this trend line and goes again. But I'm not predicting that price will come down to this trend line. I'm just saying that this trend line will work as a long-term support. Now let's move on to weekly time frame. Here I have already posted in my X handle this chart. Now if you see right here, this was a long time supporting trend zone. Price took support here, then price took support here, then again here, then again here. But this low, I marked it with a red line, that is 23,263, and price has already broken this level. So now what? Maybe we may witness like price may goes up to here. This area, this support zone, let me show you this support zone. This entire area will work as support because price has spent too much time here. So this area will work as support if price breaks. Price has already broken this area, so we can expect that price can come up to here. So a long-term support 21,349. Now so we are clear that Nifty on a downtrend and it's very much bearish right now in a long-term perspective. So now let's move on to the daily time frame. This is a daily chart of Nifty 50, and I've already mentioned this. If price already has broken this, this was an important support at 23,263. Okay, and I said that then maybe we witness this level 21,668. Now, this won't come in a day. It will take time. Now, let's move on to this area. Here, we can see price is trying to capture and stay inside this zone. So it's a making a zone, trying to create a support here, but I don't know what will happen next. So this zone is right now no trade zone for positional and swing traders. If you want to do a swing trade or positional trade, make long positions above this level only. I would say this level would be ideal. That is 24,206. Otherwise, I'm not going to make any fresh long positions because as per wave, we are heading to 21,668. Maybe we will witness some pullbacks like here we witnessed sharp fall, then pull back, then sharp fall, then pull back, then sharp fall, then pull back, then sharp fall, and now its price is catching its breath. Maybe another fall up to here, then another pullback, another fall up to here. Price will move like this. I guess so. Now let's move on to hourly time frame. This is the hourly chart of Nifty 50. Clearly, it's a downtrend. You can see I've already drawn a trend line here. Price has taken rejection from here, here, So if price goes up from here, so this trend line will work as an immediate resistance right now. And here we can see another zone as well. Nifty has created this kind of zone. So inside this zone, we can't do anything. If we mark this zone, then it's 23,425 and downside it's 22,976. So this is the zone and we must not trade inside this zone. If this if price breaks it downside, then we will witness fall as usual, and if any kind of pullback comes from here above 23,425, we will witness our upside movement up to this zone, wave resistance zone between 23,750 and 23,601. Then price may take another rejection from here. But if somehow price sustains above this level, then we will witness rise up to here. This will work as the next resistance. Then this level is 24,226. As the budget is around the corner, volatility will be very high, so we will witness both kind of movements, both upside and downside. So we will always have to be careful. We will get opportunity of the reversal. So reversal trades will be beneficial for everyone. Not only bullish reversal, also bearish reversal. So understand the price action and trade accordingly. Now let's move on to Bank Nifty. Let's move on to the monthly chart at first. This is the monthly chart of Bank Nifty. Here we can see the recent trend was broken here. And now if we can say that this is an important support area, 44,584 as a long-term support. So this is a monthly chart, and this the uptrend is already broken. So a correction phase may continue for long term. That's it. I'm not taking anything bigger than that. So let's move on to another timeline. I will move on to weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame. Here I already shared in my Twitter handle that a long-term supporting trend zone was mentioned here. Price took support near here, here, here again, and then here again, and then this trend line was broken or trend zone was broken. And I already mentioned that a head and shoulder pattern was formed, and this was also broken. The level was 49,530. Actually, a price retested this breakdown and then going down again. Here, 47,022 will work as a weak wick support, but it may not work because the price is strongly heading towards its strong support zone that is near 44,945. This entire area will work as a support zone because price has spent too much time here, and in past price when price moved above this level, it showed a big move, and when price took support, it was shooted up rapidly. So this is an important zone. That's why I take this zone as strong support zone. And if somehow price breaks below this level, then 41,578 will be our strong wave support. I'm just discussing it as budget is around the corner, so volatility will be very high. Maybe we witness a strong candle like just in hourly chart we may witness a price just touch this and then shoot up again. So this kind of supports, this support, this zone and this wave support will work as a strong support zone. So anytime price comes down to this zone, we will think about reversal, that is bullish reversal. We will try to find reversal, but not blindly. We'll wait for the confirmation and then we'll take the trade. Now let's move on to daily chart. Here I already mentioned that price has broken this support and it already retested this level, and now price is going down again. So this was the next support zone. Here you can see price took support here, here, here. So this is our next support zone, that is 46,077 to 45,661. So price is heading towards this zone. If any kind of pullback comes, then this area will work as a strong resistance because price has already break down from this level and retested this level. So this area will work as a strong resistance again. If any closing comes above this level, then we will consider about being long or consider fresh long positions in banking sectors or Bank Nifty. Now let's move on to hourly time frame. Now here you can see one thing. Let's It's a clear cut downtrend, isn't it? Price took rejection from here, then again from here, then near here. Sorry, then price has formed a low here. Just check this thing out. Price has formed a low here, then another low here, but this time this is a higher low. Then again price fails to create a higher low, but it's making at this low at near the same area, and price is still trading near the same area. So what does this mean? This means price is trying to take support from this area. Which area? It's actually trying to create a zone. This area. The area, if we check, 48,323 to 47,914. This area is a support right now. But what if price breaks this support zone? Then we will already entering towards 46,077, because we've already seen here on the daily time frame that it is heading towards 46,077. But what if any kind of pullback comes? Then initially this will work as a resistance right here. After this resistance, this will be our this is the initial resistance, 48,892. Then next resistance, 49,562, and then this entire area will work as resistance. Why? Because it was an important support last time, so it will work as a resistance right now. Hope you understand why I have taken or chosen this area to be precise. Look, this kind of movement, this straight fall was come when the price broke this level. This price broke this level, retested it, and then a sharp fall. So maybe we will witness another fall if price comes up to this area, but I'm not predicting it. I am getting ready for every kind of situation as budget is around the corner. I'm saying it again and again. Volatility will be very high, so we have to be prepared for every kind of situation. A trader should not be like determine where price will go. A trader should be like, I know what I will do wherever price grows. So we have to be prepared for every kind of situation. If price somehow sustain up this level, then this will be another resistance area. And initially, this blue trend line is the resistance line. So hope you understand all the analysis I'm trying to show you. This is it. This is also Bank Nifty. Now let's move on to Sensex. This is a chart of Sensex on a monthly time frame, and here you can see a trend line. I have drawn it already. This is a support. This trend line will work as a support, but if price breaks this trend line, maybe then we will witness a or downtrend will be over, and well, the fall will eventually come, a big fall if price closes below 70,000. So this is a monthly and long-term calculation, so don't afraid right now because monthly candles are formed in a long-term basis, so it's just a long-term analysis. So, uptrend is still on Sensex right now. So let's move on to weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame. Here, price was upside, but what happened then? Then price falls up to here, then a pullback, then again fall, and eventually price break its previous low, where right here the price closes below this low. So as per wave, we are heading towards 73,398. This will work as a support right now. And if price breaks this level, then you can see this is a crucial and important support. Actually, this entire zone from 71,100 to 69,920, I guess. So this area will work as a strong support zone. Maybe we will witness pullback from here if price comes up to this level. Now, so in the weekly time frame and monthly time frame, both are different stories, unlike Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. So in the monthly time frame, we are trading near support, but on the weekly time frame, we are in a downtrend and the recent low was broken. So maybe for some weeks we will witness downtrend and then we will witness uptrend before the month. So maybe witness like a candle creating a bottom on the support and then close above the support, and that will make monthly candle satisfied and weekly candle satisfied. So because volatility will be very high everywhere, so maybe we will witness both this kind of movements. Now let's move on to daily time frame. It's pretty similar story in weekly and daily. Let's this is this zone was taken as support as I mentioned in the weekly chart, and this is prices coming down to 73,398 like here. So not a big difference. Now let's move on to hourly time frame. Now understand very clearly. This is a very important. Look at this red trend line I've drawn. Price has taken rejection from here, then another rejection from here, and look at the size of this candle. So this trend line is a strong resistance. If price shoots up from here, then this trend line will work as a strong resistance. Maybe we witness another rejection from this trend line. And now, what if this trend line gets broken? Maybe it breaks here, maybe it breaks here. So here we can see like Bank Nifty, it has created another zone. Price has taken several rejection from this level. Oh, this is one time, two time, three time. So this 77,319 or roundly 77,320 is a strong resistance right now, and it has created a low at 75,641. So this is a support, and price is trading inside this zone, so we will not do anything inside this zone. It's actually a no trade zone, and if price closes above this zone and some pullback came, the pullback came here but could not sustain. If another pullback comes in, then we will witness rise up to 78,380 because it's a wave resistance. Above this wave resistance, if price somehow sustains above this level, then we will witness up to this level, 80,072. What if price can't sustain and can't go up? If price breaks and close below this level, 75,641, then the previous low will be broken. Then we will may witness fall up to 73,537, which is a wave support. And if somehow price couldn't sustain above this support, then as per weekly or daily, this will be the support area. 69,920. And we have another support here, 73,398. So we have to trade level by level, otherwise it will be very difficult and volatility will be high. So we will witness both kind of movements, both upside and downside. So trade level by level. Hope these levels will help you to make your trade properly.
If you like the analysis, you can hit the like button. For more upcoming videos, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications on time. You can also share this knowledge by sharing this video to others. Thanks for your valuable time. Stay updated with us.